Ready to turn downloads into dollars? Let's build your passive income empire. Hi there! Are you dreaming of financial freedom, but overwhelmed with where to start? I get it. It can feel like there's too much to do and not enough time. But what if I told you there's an easier way to start earning online? No creating your own products, no inventory, no shipping hassles, and absolutely no tech skills required. Welcome to PLRpassive, where creating your digital product is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Here's how it works. Step 1. Browse our collection. We've got over 800 ready to sell digital products, eBooks, courses, templates, and more waiting for you. Step 2. Download and customize. Add your logo, tweak the text, or keep it exactly as it is. You can do this in minutes. Step 3. Sell and profit. Use your favorite social media to promote your website. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the magic of passive income with no long hours, no crazy startup costs, just a proven system that works. Thousands of people just like you are already doing this. You see it in the internet every day. You too can turn a $27 product into $1,000 or more in just weeks. You're just one decision away from creating a life of freedom, flexibility, and financial success. Check out our inventory. We have over 841 high-quality done-for-you PLR products. Save 50% off your first download. Hurry before offer ends soon.